Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about tutorial of cutting curtain bangs. Here's a quick tutorial on how to style curtain bangs. Start with damp hair and apply a heat protectant spray to prevent damage. Use a round brush and blow dry your bangs, focusing on creating a slight curve away from your face for that classic curtain bang look. If you want a more textured finish, you can use a flat iron to create some loose waves or bangs in your bangs. To add volume and texture, spray some texturizing spray or sea salt spray onto your bangs and scrunch them gently. Finish off with a light rolled hairspray to set the style in place. Give it a try and have fun styling your curtain bangs. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video notification from me. Thank you.